Josh, we had the best time in math class with Mr. Path, Julie, Jacob, Diana, Brock, Denier, Chloe, Kelsey, and pretty much everybody, except for those like five kids who wouldn't talk for shit. They always got to like leave for lunch and we'd have to sit there for like 4 minutes. But that was so much fun. And I really hope we have another class this year with each other because that was just the best class. That made freshman year. Uh, Also, when we got sent out to the hallway, that was pretty funny too. I think you were taking a test, but I don't remember. And I think I just sat out there for no reason. I don't know. Math kind of bored me, so oh well. But we should talk because I haven't talked to you since like the last day of school, and that's been forever. And now like a new year's gonna start, and it's like I haven't even seen or talked to you since. Feels like forever. All right, well, hit me up somehow or something. All right, bye.